In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a single-page landscape in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're working on a report with wide tables or just need to fit in a large graphic, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. The first and most important step is to select the content that you want to appear on the landscape page. In Google Docs, you don't change the orientation of an entire page number directly, but rather a selection of content. So, begin by carefully scrolling to the text, image, or table you need to reorient. Click at the start of this content and carefully drag your cursor down to the very end, ensuring everything you want on the new page is highlighted. Double check that your entire selection is highlighted in blue. This tells Google Docs exactly which part of the document needs the special formatting. With your content selected, the next step is to open the formatting options. Move your cursor anywhere over the highlighted blue area and perform a right click. This action brings up a context-sensitive menu with various editing and formatting tools. Scan down this menu. Near the bottom, you will see an option labeled Change Page to Landscape. Go ahead and click this. Behind the scenes, Google Docs is about to insert invisible markers called section breaks before and after your selection, which allows this portion of the document to have a different page layout from the rest. Instantly, your document updates. The selected content is now beautifully formatted on its own dedicated landscape page. Notice how the page is wider than it is tall, providing ample space for your content. Now, let's verify that the rest of the document is unaffected. As we scroll down, you can see the very next page seamlessly returns to the original portrait orientation. This powerful section-based formatting is what makes this feature so useful. You can use this method multiple times in a single document to switch between portrait and landscape layouts as needed for different types of content. Your headers, footers, and page numbers will also adjust accordingly within the new section. And there you have it. You've successfully made a single-page landscape in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.